Hello students, today we are going to learn factorization of polynomial, class 9th, chapter number 2, polynomials. So let us understand how to factorize a polynomial. So here it's question number 8 of exercise 2.5, which given a polynomial 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So here let us think about the coefficients of the variables. Here it is 8 is the coefficient of a cube. So this 8 can be written as 2 raised to the power 3. Similarly, coefficient of a square b is 12. It also represent as its prime factorization 2 into 2 into 4, that 2 into 2 into 3, that is 4 into 3, 12. 6, it also can be written as 2 into 3 is 6. So let us express this given polynomial as 2 cube a raised to the power 3 plus b cube plus 3 into 2 into 2 into a square b plus 3 into 2 ab square. Now here, as we observe, this 2 and a has the same exponent 3. That means base we have to multiply. 2 and a becomes 2a and whole raised to the power 3. Similarly, here it is 2 into 2. It can be expressed as 2 square. And now 2 square into a square becomes 2a whole square. So in the next step, we will write as 2a whole cube plus b cube plus 3 into 2a square b plus 3 into 2a into b square. Now here, this expression, by observing this expression, we understand that one of the identity which says that x plus y whole cube is x cube plus y cube plus 3 x square y plus 3xy whole square, where we observe that this x cube is 2a cube, y cube is b cube, 3 into x square, that is 2a square, y that is b, plus 3 into 2a, that is equals to x, and y square, that is b square. So by comparing the right hand side of the identity with the polynomial which we expressed above, this one, we find out that value of x is 2a and value of y is b here. So this we can write now 2a plus b whole cube. As we have to factorize it, that means it should be written as the product of its factors. So 2a plus b is the factor of this given polynomial, and how many times it is? 3 times, that is 2a plus b whole cube. So 3 times the product of this we have to write as 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square is equals to 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b. That means 3 times the same product we have to write. So this gives the factorization of the polynomial as 2a plus b, 2a plus b and 2a plus b. Similarly, let's take another problem of the same exercise for question number 8, fifth problem, that says 27p cube minus 1 upon 216 minus 9 upon 2 p square plus 1 upon 4p. As we observe that this is the p cube, okay, and 216, this is the cube of 6. So we can apply the identity here, x plus y whole cube. So let's understand how we can apply this identity here. That as we understand that this identity will be there. So let's understand how it is. 27 as written as 3 cube, 216 we can write as 6 raised to the power 3, and this 9 again we can write it 3 into 3, and this 4 again 2 into 2. So the expression, it can be written as 27, that is 3 into p, as 3 cube into p cube, we can write as 3p whole cube, minus 1 upon 216, that is 1 upon 6 whole cube. Okay, this 9, how we write 3 into 3, that is 3p whole square we can take and multiplied by 1 by 2, plus this again 1 by 4 can be expressed as 1 by 2 whole square into p. This is the simple, only the exponential form of the given numbers. Okay, in the next step, the first two terms are the same, 3p whole cube minus 1 upon 6 whole raised to the power 3. Now here we are getting that 3p whole cube, that is x cube. Now let us compare with this x cube, minus 1 upon 6 cube, that is also equal to y cube. Now in the next two steps, it is given 3p, and now 3p, this is the term value for x, so 3p square. So now what we have to include here as x square is there, so 3p square is there. Y, here y, that is in the problem, it is 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 we have to include, and this 3 also we have to include in the second term. So how it will be written as 1 by 2 into 3p square, and we can write 3 upon 3, that means we multiply in this term 3 upon 3. Similarly, in the next term, 1 by 2 square into p. Now compare this with the last term of the identity. 3 is missing here. Y, that is 1 by 2 square is written, but it is 1 by 6. Okay, and p, that is the term x, it is not with 3p, that means p is not with 3. So how many terms we have to include in this? 1 upon 3, so it will become 2 into 3 6, or 2 times we have to take that 3, and this identity 3 also we have to include here. So we have to multiply here again 3 upon 3. You by this numerator 3 we can write as it is the given in the identity. So in next step we get this 1 upon 2, and this denominator 3 by 3 of 3. 2 into 3 we can write 2 into 3, 1 upon 2 into 3, and 3p square, and this 3 will goes at the front, as in the identity it is given 3 multiplied by, so 3 is there. Now in the next step, 3 into, now this p and 3, one numerator 3 we can write at front, and this denominator 3 we write is with the p, so p upon 3 and 1 upon 2 whole square. Now still there is what we have to need, 1 3 with this p and one more 3, so it will become 6 square. So let multiply again it with 3 upon 3. Now this 3 and 3 becomes 3 square, so this 2 square multiplied by this 3 square, so becomes 6 whole square. Similarly, this 3 multiplied with p becomes 3p. So when we are multiplying here 3 by 3, so we are not changing anything, as 1 is multiplying with any number, there is no change when multiplication of any number with one number, as it is we get same. So here in the next step we get finally 3p whole cube minus 1 upon 6 whole cube minus 3 into 3p square, and this 2 into 3 becomes 1 upon 6 plus 3. Now this 3 and p will give product 3p and 1 by 2 square. This 3 and this 3 is this 3 and this 3 product will give 3 square. So 3 into 2 whole square we can write here now. So we get 3p whole cube minus 1 by 6 whole cube minus 3 into 3p square into 1 by 6 plus 3 into 3p, and it is 1 upon 6 whole square. Now let us compare with this identity again. 3p whole cube x cube minus 1 by 6. Okay. 3 into 3p square. Okay. Into 1 by 6 that is y, and 3 into 3p that is x, and 1 by 6 that is y. Now one thing we have to observe here, that in the given polynomial we have the minus sign, whereas in the identity there are all the signs in between the terms are positive signs. So in the next step, when we take this minus as plus, so when we take this minus as plus, so in this step what we have to do, we have to write this plus 1 by 6 and this minus 1 upon 6 whole cube, minus is there. So make, as we are having 1 upon 6 is negative term, so this plus sign we have to place here, and in this next, this 1 by 6 is nothing but it is minus 1 by 6. So here we get that b, the value of b is, here we get x is equals to 3p. Okay, but y value is negative, that is minus 1 by 6 in this identity, as the problem is given with positive and negative signs and our identity is in the positive terms. So here the negative terms we have to take as 1 by 6. So now it becomes 3p minus 1 by 6 whole cube, that is equals to 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6. So here we can say the given polynomial 27p cube minus 1 upon 216 minus 9 by 2p square plus 1 by 4 is 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6. So in this way, some terms we have to include which are given in the identity, as here it is given 3 and 3 is not there, so we included this 3 by multiplying 3 upon 3. So now we can factorize the given polynomial like this.